viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Rabby Wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can manage the multiple wallet addresses. Yes, in a one account under you can easily manage multiple wallet addresses. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. Please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here I have uploaded already many videos about Rabby Wallet, also Floki, also Coinbase, also Binance. You just simple visit my YouTube channel, and after that you just simple click on video portion, then you will get the all information, all cryptocurrency wallets on one YouTube channel. Okay, so if you face any problem regarding this deposit withdrawal, find private key, or create account, so you can just simple message me below this video, or you can also mail to my email address cryptowallsinfo@gmail.com. So now we are going to start our video. You can see here the right top corner, the Rabby wallet is icon is shown in front of me, and let's suppose I'm going to click on it, and my wallet is already opened because I have entered my password, and after that my wallet is interface is open in front of me. If you have not enter password, you just simple click on icon, and after that enter your security password, then your account will be open in front of you. Okay, now you can see here I have one account. If I'm going to click on this option, you can see here this is the my account number one, and this is wallet address is shown here. And let's suppose you want to manage your multiple addresses under one account. Means this account is only my main account, my base account, and if I need to manage my multiple wallet address under one account, so what will I do? I just simple click on manage addresses. You can see here manage addresses, simple click on it. After that there is shown plus button. I click on this plus button. Now the new tab will be open in front of me. You can see here addresses in seed phrases, addresses Rabby. So I need to use the addresses in seed phrases, and there is the big list is available here. Let's suppose I want to more addresses in my wallet. Simple click on seek bar, and two addresses shown here, 3, 4, 5, and you can also click the seek bar, and then you can see here the many addresses shown here. Let's suppose also 6 number, 7 number. The all addresses you can manage from this option. You can see here seed number 1. If I'm going to click on cross, so you can change the name or address name, it's depend on you. And I'm going to cross check this wallet address shown in my main wallet main interface, Rabby wallet or not. I'm going to click on done, and now again click on this Rabby wallet, and then you can see here I am just going to click on it, and now you can see here the many wallets is available, wallet address is available here. Almost 7 wallet address is shown here. Let's suppose you want to deposit on this wallet, simple click on it, or you can use this wallet. So the wallet number 6 is shown here. You just simple deposit, simple click on the C button, and which currency you are going to use, let's suppose Avalanche. So this wallet address will be shown here, and you can also use other wallet addresses. Wallet number 4, the wallet number 4 is shown here, and you can use a multiple wallet address in under one account. And if you need to remove some wallet addresses or hide some wallet addresses, you can use same scenario, which is I have already used in this video. Again, going to click on wallet portion, and then click on manage wallet addresses. Let's suppose I don't want to use wallet number 4, 5 and 6. So what will I do? I just simple click on manage address again. Now you can see here wallet number 3, 4 and 5. Simple click on delete all addresses but keep the seed phrases. Delete all addresses probably. So before going to delete any wallet address, you must save your wallet address. You save your seed phrases. Enter your password here. Before going to remove any wallets, you must save the phrases. You can see a seed, delete seed phrases and its 7 addresses. Then we click on confirm. After that, your all addresses will be removed from your managed address list. You can see here they shown and also seen here. You can get the more information like delete a wallet address. Simple allow, and after that enter a password. Now confirm. You can see here viewers, the wallet is removed. That's what I am going to one more wallet going to remove wallet number 5 and click on delete address. Simple enter your password and confirm. Sorry, my password I think wrong. So again enter here, confirm. I think some problem with my password. So I will try after stop this video. You just simple enter your password and then your wallet address will be deleted from the list. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you manage the wallet addresses in your Rabby wallet. This is so simple and easy. You can use multiple wallet addresses if you want to hide your transaction from other people who are going to send the money in your wallet address. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also comment below this video if you face any problem regarding deposit withdrawal and find private key. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.